Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Mentor. Guys, here you can see on the screen, here is one of my project which I provided in the video description. So I got a comment from one of my subscriber, and he's saying that whenever I try to tap something here, so it's not working. So please tell me the solution how I will do it. So it's very simple, guys. You can see here it's mentioned in this project it's view only. So it means you can view only this file. You can't tap anything here. It's not allowed. It's not, there is no permission for you to tap anything here. So for that, guys, it's very simple. So just click on the file. You can download the file, guys. Just download the file and then practice on it, and then make a portfolio for yourself. Do whatever you want, but you can't tap anything here. So just click on file, then click on download in Microsoft Excel. So when you click on that, the file will be downloaded here. So you can see, guys, I already downloaded this file. So if I want to tap anything here, you can see I can tap anything whatever I want on this file, guys. So you can also do the same. So whenever you got any kind of file in my video description, and if you want to practice on it and you can't do it because I don't allow to practice, anyone can practice on the file online here, because there are a few reasons. I hope you understand that. So guys, so just click on the file, download the file, and then practice on it. Okay, so I hope you got my point. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any kind of question, please let me know. I will try my best to help you. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you later. Bye.